This video will show you how to use the Qlik Answer connector in Qlik Automate. To get started, let's create a new automation. In this example, we're going to use the Create Threads block and the Execute Synchronous Prompt block to ask questions through automations. First, select the Qlik Answer connector and drag and drop the Create Threads block and configure it. Give it a name, and in the Assistant ID field, use the Do Lookup function to search for the assistant you have previously created. Next, drag the Execute Synchronous Prompt block and attach it to the Create Threads block. In the Assistant ID field, use the Do Lookup function to search for the assistant you have previously created. In the Thread ID field, use the output from the Create Threads block. In the Prompt field, let's add a question you want to ask your assistant. Finally, search for the Slack connector, then drag the Send Message block and attach it to the Execute Synchronous Prompt block. Now, let's configure the Send Message block by connecting it to your Slack account. In this case, we already have a connection, so we just need to select it. Select the Inputs tab and search for the Slack channel. In the Text field, use the output from the Execute Synchronous Prompt block. You can optionally configure other parameters. When done, click Run to execute the automation. Once the automations have been executed, you can open the Slack channel to see the result. As you can see, a Slack message has been sent to your channel containing the answer generated by the Qlik Assistant. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.